9:30 a.m., February 21st, 2026. The radar turns deep red. Rain is falling at more than 8 inches per hour. There is no hurricane, no spinning eye, no named storm, just rain. Within hours, highways become rivers. A stream breaks a 15-year record. Evacuation orders are issued, and Oahu enters a historic flood emergency. Welcome back to Global Weather Disasters. This channel doesn't just report extreme weather. We analyze why it happens and what it means for the future. Today, we examine the February 21st, 2026 flash flood event in Hawaii, a disaster not driven by a major cyclone, yet powerful enough to paralyze Oahu and impact neighboring islands. February 20th, 2026. The National Weather Service issues a flood watch for Niihau, Kauai, and Oahu, effective through 6 a.m. the next morning. An upper-level trough moves across the region. It pulls deep tropical moisture northward. Atmospheric instability increases. The system has no name. It is not a hurricane, but it is slow, and slow systems are dangerous. Because when rain bands stall, they keep unloading water over the same terrain. At 9:30 a.m., a flash flood warning is issued for Oahu. Radar shows widespread rainfall rates between 2 and 4 inches per hour. Near Waialua, an intense downpour peaks at 8.43 inches per hour. Along the windward slopes, rainfall totals reach 18 to 20 inches within 24 hours. Streams rise quickly. Low-lying neighborhoods begin flooding. Storm drains struggle to keep up. This is no longer a forecast. It is unfolding in real time.
Oh dear. My platform dock is underwater.
By midday, Moanalua stream surges to 10.76 feet. It breaks a record that stood for roughly 15 years. Water spills over banks and pushes into nearby streets. In Halewa, businesses flood. In Kaneohe, residential stairways are washed away. Kamehameha Highway is submerged near multiple stream crossings. Portions of H-3 Freeway and Like Highway are closed due to several feet of standing water. Windward Oahu slows to a halt, not because of wind, because of water. At 1:48 p.m., an evacuation order is issued for Otaki Camp in Waialua. Flash flooding is no longer a possibility, it is happening. Residents are urged to move to higher ground. By 4:30 p.m., the evacuation order is lifted as rainfall eases. But many roads remain flooded. Vehicles are stranded. Warnings may expire. Impacts do not. The system is not confined to one island. On Kauai, Kuhio Highway near Hanalei River Bridge closes as river levels rise. On Maui, rainfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour are recorded near Hana, triggering another flash flood warning. This is a statewide weather pattern, not a localized thunderstorm. Hawaii's geography amplifies rainfall. The Ko'olau Mountains force moist air upward. This process is called orographic lifting. As air rises, it cools. Moisture condenses. Rain intensifies. When heavy rain falls over steep terrain, water accelerates downhill. It rushes. Urban pavement compounds the problem. Concrete does not absorb water. It redirects it. Drainage systems designed decades ago face volumes they were never built to handle. In 2018, Kauai recorded nearly 49.69 inches of rain, in 24 hours the highest total ever recorded in the United States. In 2021, severe flooding forced nearly 4,000 Oahu residents to evacuate. In 2026, another slow-moving system produces widespread flash flooding. The common factor is not a Category 5 hurricane. It is persistent rainfall in a warmer, moisture-rich atmosphere.
Oh dear. My platform dock is underwater.
A warmer atmosphere holds about 7% more moisture for every 1 degree Celsius of warming. That means when storms develop, they have more water available to release. By 2050, sea levels around Hawaii are projected to rise roughly 20 centimeters. The buffer between city streets and the sea continues to narrow. The most concerning shift is not just record rainfall, it is frequency. Events once labeled rare are appearing more often. Flash floods in Hawaii do not require a superstorm. They require a slow system, steep terrain, and elevated sea levels. Preparation must go beyond checking forecasts. It includes updating flood maps, modernizing drainage systems, and rethinking development in vulnerable zones. And one simple rule remains critical: never drive through flooded roads. Most flood-related fatalities occur inside vehicles. Turn around. Don't drown. One decision can save a life. February 21, 2026 made one reality clear. Nature does not need a massive hurricane to create disaster. Sometimes, all it takes is a few hours of extreme rain on a steep island with a rising ocean. The question is not whether it will happen again. The question is, how prepared will we be when it does?